Assalamu alaikum. Today my lecture how to make a slideshow, very professional slideshow. First we open ProShow. ProShow is a software you download. Then we go into the wizard. After going into the wizard, then click on continue to wizard, and then you press selection. Select any type of themes which you like. Themes, I like horizontal line light themes. Then continue press, and then add to content. Then add to content button. We import all kind of images over here, and I make the saloon video, so I select these 5 images from here. Then it will automatically download it, and then from this side, on the right hand side, you see I add the title of the video. So the title is about any slide, any company name or any slide name. I write here Maharose Beauty Salon, and then press OK. Then I put this into the first place. Then add the slide title of the contact. I write the contact number over here, and then press OK, and then I put the slide on the right hand side. Then add music from this button, add music, and I downloaded the music, mp3 music, and select it, and then press open button. After this one, if you are pressing, or then press continue button. After pressing continue button, it will automatically make your slideshow very professional slideshow, and the slideshow will be very professional. You can make the wedding slideshows, you can make marketing slides, you can make different slide from this one. It will be downloading over here. Wait a few minutes. After this, the downloading will be start. I will wait some few minutes, then okay, and now it is downloaded. Now I select this one to press Ctrl A, and then slide time will be 2 seconds. I put it over here 2, and here I put it 1. This is called slideshow. So these two settings you have to do 2 seconds and 1 seconds. So it makes, and then press the play button over here. Then you can see the play button, and it will automatically start your slideshow, very professional slideshow. Now I started from the first slide. Click on the first slide, then again play button, then it start. Yes, here is a professional slideshow for you. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, and here the slideshow is started. And this is the professional slideshow. Okay, and how you export this video? Now go here in a publish, and after publish show, then click on the web or device on the right hand side, then click on 1080 full HD form, and name this video. I write Maharose Beauty Salon, and then I save it. It will export into the MP4. It will render it and export in the MP4. Enjoy this music. Thank you. ये
रिकॉर्डिंग तो मोबाइल में